Hello, how are you all? Last time, I showed you how to update the WhatsApp Aero application to the latest version available without losing conversations. However, I've seen many comments in which people have reported problems with this latest version. So, what we're going to do now is install the previous version we were using. We'll wait for the developer of WhatsApp Aero to release a new version that fixes the issues causing problems for many users. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You'll find many more solutions and tutorials for Android and PC. To start, let me show you the current version I have, which is working perfectly in my case. As we can see on the screen, though, we can't directly revert to previous versions from here. So, here's what we'll do. Go to the description of this video or the previous video where I showed you how to download the new version. Follow the link provided there. This link will take you to the new update for WhatsApp Aero. Scroll down to where it says, Content of the article, tap to expand, and then locate the Download Previous Version of WhatsApp section. By clicking this link, after waiting a few seconds, you'll download one of the previous versions. In my case, it's version 9.35 or 9.40. It corresponds to the same base we're using, indicated by a water drop symbol, as we can see here. After the download, open the WhatsApp Aero application. Choose to install it without uninstalling the current version on your phone. Once the installation is finished, open the app. Now, we have reverted to the previous version we were using on our Android phone. While we might see a notice about the new version being available, we can simply close it. To avoid encountering those issues again, we'll wait for the developer to release versions 9.42 or 9.45, depending on the sequence of numbers you're using. As we can see, we've returned to the WhatsApp Aero menu. I've reverted to the previous version I was using a week ago, and as you can see, the conversations are intact. This is how we can revert to a previous version of WhatsApp Aero on our Android phone. This is especially useful when there are bugs in the new update. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Valmatic. See you in the next video.